So now I want to talk with you about variables and substitution. So what is a variable anyways? It's a kind of a funny name, right? Simply stated, a variable is a letter that we use instead of a number. We just talked about an area calculation. Length area of a floor that we need to carpet is length times width, which we would designate as L times W. The L and the W are variables. If we walk into a different room and we want to carpet that room, guess what? The length is going to be different and the width is going to be different. So the letter shows the universal relationship that exists for any given shape, right? In the rectangle to the right, the variables are L for length, W for width. And the value of the letter is going to change or vary from one problem to the next. That's why they call them variables, because they vary. Now, substitution is when we are given a problem to solve, we replace the letter with a number that we're given in a problem. So in the rectangle at the right, if the problem tells us that the rectangle measures 10 feet by 6 feet, we use the equation area equals length times width, and we replace or substitute the length, the L with 10 feet, and the W with 6 feet, and then we multiply together to solve the problem. Right? So the area is the length times the width. Using substitution, we'll say the L is 10 feet, the W is 6 feet. We put those in place of the variables. We multiply them together. Multiply the 10 times the 6 to get 60. And we multiply the feet times the feet to get feet squared. Right? Because the order doesn't matter, we could also say 6 feet times 10 feet. And we're going to come up with the same answer.